Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to withdraw your money from Underdog Fantasy. So first, let us begin with the withdrawal options. So you'll have two withdrawal options when it comes to the Underdog Fantasy withdrawal. So you have PayPal and Interchecks. So for PayPal, opting for PayPal allows for a seamless and swift withdrawal process. Simply select this option, specify the withdrawal amount, and your funds will be transferred directly to your linked PayPal account. This method offers speed and flexibility, making it a popular choice among users. For Interchecks, alternatively, you can request a withdrawal via Interchecks. With this method, you have several options to receive your winnings, including e-checks, paper checks, direct deposits, and more. Simply enter your email address on the Underdog Fantasy app and you'll receive an email from Interchecks with instructions on how to proceed. So let us begin on how to cash out. So how to cash out at Underdog Fantasy. So first, of course, you'll need to have an account and sign in that account. And then next, request a withdrawal. Once you have signed into your account, you will need to click on the Account tab located in the bottom right corner of your screen on the Underdog Fantasy Sports app, then tap Withdrawal to begin the cash out process. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method. Again, you can either choose PayPal or Interchecks. So both options incur no additional fees and are completely free. Enter the specific amount you would like to withdraw from your account. And then lastly, complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Underdog Fantasy to complete the transaction. If you choose to use PayPal, you will need to enter your email address to link your PayPal account. If you choose to use Interchecks, you will need to enter your email address. However, this time you will receive an email from Interchecks with step-by-step instructions on how to proceed and receive your funds. And then lastly, you can now receive your winnings. So after you have completed the transaction, you can now expect the funds to be delivered within 2 to 3 business days. And you can now enjoy your winnings. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to withdraw or cash out your money from Underdog Fantasy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.